Hello students, welcome back to the virtual class of IP. Today we are going to start with our Unit 3, that is Introduction to Computer Network. Let's first see what is network. When two or more devices interconnect with each other and share all the available resources, they make a network, and when in a network computers are involved, they make a computer network. They share both their hardware and software resources and exchange data among themselves. Next is advantages of network. Number one, resource sharing. By resource sharing, we mean that one resource is shared by all the computers in a network. For example, if there is a network of 10 computers and only one computer is having printer attached to itself, then all the 9 others can give print command and get the print. This ultimately leads to the cost saving. So the next need or advantage of network is cost saving. As all the hardware and software are shared with each other on a network, the cost is automatically reduced. Increased storage. On the network, same data is saved on multiple computers to ensure the availability of data in case of any system gets faulty. Next, collaborative user interaction. In a network, the data is transferred from one system to another very quickly, and the persons working on the network can communicate with each other by sending mails and chats, which saves time and cost both. Besides advantages, there are few disadvantages also. Like, initially the setup cost of networking is high and it requires timely supervision. Sometimes if server fails, then the attached system, which are often known as clients or nodes, stops working because server is the main part of any network. Next, now to form a network, there are some hardware requirements like transmission medium and network devices. Let's discuss. First, transmission medium. The medium through which we communicate over a network is called transmission medium. It is of two types, wired and wireless. Let's first discuss wired medium. When data is transferred with the help of wires, it is called wired or guided medium. This figure shows the twisted pair cable or wire which is used to create a small network. It contains 4 twisted pair cables covered in an outer shield. These work according to the colors, means these pairs are color coded. It is of two types, which you can see on the screen. One is UTP, unshielded twisted pair cable, and another is shielded twisted pair cable or STP. Details of these have been already shared with you in PDF file, so go through it. Next is coaxial cable. Before twisted pair cables, coaxial cables were used to frame a network. But now also you can see these cables being used for dish TV connections or cable TV connections. Then comes the optical fiber cables or fiber optic cables. These are the cables used nowadays for network as they carry data for a very large distance with high speed. The comparison of these three cables is on the screen. Now the next is wireless medium. When data is transmitted over a network without any physical interconnection, that is without wires, it is called wireless network, and medium is called wireless medium of transmission. It is also known as unguided media. Data is transferred through electromagnetic waves. Based on the frequency, these electromagnetic waves are categorized as radio waves, which are commonly used for communication both indoor and outdoor, as in the case of cordless phone, FM radio. Then microwaves. These are those waves which carries the data over long distance with high speed. A high tower are built and microwave antennas are put on their tops to catch the signal as these signals or data travel straight in lines. Then is satellite, Bluetooth, infrared rays are also the examples of wireless medium which are most commonly used in our daily life. Next comes the second part, or we can say the second requirement, that is network devices. Various devices which help in framing a network are called network devices like NIC, Network Interface Card. It is a device that enables a computer to connect to network and communicate. Then is hub. It is a device that connects multiple nodes to form a network and redirects the received information to all the connected nodes. Switch. It is same as hub, but the only difference is that hub transmits data to all the connected nodes, but switch transmits data to the desired node only. Repeater. This is the hardware device or the network device which is used to amplify or regenerate the weak signals while they are transmitted over long distances. In simple words, we can say that repeater regenerates the received signals and retransmits it to the destination. Then is gateway. It is a device which is used to connect different types of networks like ATM machines at different places is the best example of gateway, as one ATM machine is capable to withdraw money from various banks. The gateway prevents the unauthorized access to and from a private network. Next, router. It is a device to operate in a physical data link and network layers. It chooses the best optimal path to interconnect different networks. At last, and the important device, which is modem, which means modulator and demodulator device. It converts digital signals to analog signals at the sender end and analog to digital at the receiver end to make the communication possible through telephone lines. That's all for today. In the next class, we will learn about types of network. Till then, stay home, stay safe.